Getting an accurate quote really depends on the accuracy of the information that the buyers and engineers provide to the die caster. Many buyers don't have a good understanding of the die casting process, so they don't necessarily know what questions they need to ask. I hear more often than I would like to situations where customers got multiple quotes, but they looked at the price only and they didn't really have a good understanding of what was included in that price. We like to give an honest, all-in quote that includes everything that the customer's expecting, and we get there by making sure that we ask the right questions. The primary questions that need to be asked and answered are: what are the tolerances required for the part? Will the specifications created by the North American Die Casting Association be appropriate for this part, or will enhanced tolerancing be needed, which will require additional secondary operations? What is the finishing level of the part? Is it consumer level part? Is it an industrial level part? Is it a Class A finish part? Is it a lesser finish requirement? Is there areas of the part that are going to require masking from finishing? These are all questions that, if they aren't answered on the quote documents, need to be asked and answered before an accurate quote can be provided. From A&B, you're going to get an accurate quote. You're going to get upfront, designed for manufacturability help to ensure that you're getting the best value from the die casting process, and you're going to get a lot of questions to make sure that we have a good understanding of what it is that you need, so that we can provide you an accurate quote that is not going to change once the part's in production. The price that we give you is the price that we live with.